So right now at this stage of the project, we're trying to show you want to have the back of the wall filled up with impervious fill. So you don't want any water getting trapped behind the wall. Water's going to cause a wall to fail faster than anything. So you want impervious fill behind the wall so that any water that would get back here would drain through the front of the wall. You also want everything pitched towards the drain, wherever your outlets are. You do want some degree of slope to make sure that you have water that will travel down to your outlets. And the outlet should be no longer than 40 feet apart. For impervious fill, you can use dirt. You don't really want to use topsoil. You don't want to use mulch. You don't want something that's going to decompose. You don't want to use chunks of sod or anything like that. Clay, soil, whatever's behind your wall, whatever you're digging down, that's totally acceptable to use. You can also use 2A limestone. That's completely acceptable also. But you do not want to use 57 stone, clean stone. You don't want anything that will drain. You want something that'll stop the water and shed it. So you can see here what we had to do. We had to dig back further because we didn't have quite enough room for at least 12 inches of aggregates back here for a clean stone. So we ended up having to, we dug this back, and then we used whatever fell down for here, and we got rid of the excess. But it's really important that you have a minimum, bare minimum of 12 inches of clean stone behind the wall. You also want to fill the front of your wall with impervious fill. You don't want water sitting anywhere near the wall. You want everything pitching away. Water's going to cause more problems than anything will to your project.